Yeah, dollar at very strong, but it is very strong resistance area also. Yeah, we have a divergence here, we have a structure resistance here, we have a breaker block there. Yeah, dollar index, and same way we have a structure, very good structure support on euro also. So watching those how they will react. Let's see. Dow Jones came again at my entry point 958. 57, good. Changing the network, guys. Let me change the network. 58 looks good. 59 looks fine. Come on, gold, come on. You can do it, gold. You can do it. Now dollar index, good red candle. Yeah, crude oil again. Crude oil possible will continue. It was very major area 94.80. Looks fine. $57. When it's going upside, it's going very slowly, but when it's coming downside, sharply. Dollar looks good again. Dow Jones is still my buying area. Look at the USD cat flying. 3950, how much? BTS by BTC. BTC, I don't have any proper setup, but I have a important uh, demand zone or buy zone 66,191, 65,692. I don't have a proper setup on BTC. Yeah? Dow Jones 935. Gold is failing to close above 62. Until there is no 1 hour closing above 62, market will be under pressure. Kasem, Euro USD finally breakout after 16 days. अच्छा. Oh God. It's okay to buy. Dow seems not too bullish. Technically, it is bullish, right? Technically, it is bullish. I'm pretty much confident that it will go upside. Dow Jones end of the day. Yeah. Candle close in. Gold is very complicated, guys. Believe me, when it was 50, I was thinking to close it. When it was 54, 57, 59, I was thinking to close this bloody hell gold. Oil first downside, then upside. Oil needs to come 91.42, below 94.80. If someone wants, they can scalp sell on crude oil also at current. Yeah, stop loss can be 95, a new high. Dow is good and respecting the technical also, but gold is not respecting. Oil sell from major area was 94.80. Now here also you can do a sell, right? At 94, 93.80. Right now it's 93.76. Yeah, might be the price is difference. That's why I'm telling you the price. It can be a scalping sell, and stop loss will be 95, a new high. It needs to retest the 91.42 area, because this 4-hour candle has fully reversed. So retest now possible, again downside. Yeah, all are good, only the gold is not good, giving so many troubles, so much problems. See, crude is coming down again. Actually, the last 4-hour candle on crude oil, that is the confirmation. Yeah, If you want to sell, you can sell in between of that red candle's body, and your stop loss should be above of wick, yeah, which is 95, because it went upside 94.85 and came down. Possible Dow will drop a little bit more, so I'm waiting for now. Okay, no problem. Now see, the crude is coming down. It went 93.80. Dollar is rejecting again upside. Dow again in my profit is small, but yeah, in profit plus again. Yeah, everything is joking. Everything is joking, guys. Seven seven bro says 43.95, 44 after buy. Okay, you are expecting 43.95. Possible, very much possible. Why? Move is coming. Everything is dancing, guys. Something happened. Motar bro, it's in our buy zone. I have a buy, but market is not that much good. Better if you stay aside, that will be much better. I'm in a buy, I'm expecting upside, but gold not that much confident because it's so much manipulating. Yeah, if you want to do a buy, then 44.15 will be stop loss. Earlier crude was going up, yeah, because there was resistance at 94.80, and from that area it came down also. Does not make any sense. Crude is negative candle. Look at crude candle, gold candle, and dollar candle. All three are in red. 4 hour. Dollar is also red candle 4 hour. Crude oil also red candle. Gold also okay. कालिया क्या होगा तेरा. Now the sellers are active again. If price breaks the SL, do you consider sell after that? Yes. I was planning to change it, but that last 4 hour candle was stopping me. Yeah, that last 4 hour candle, green candle, because the closing is good, the opening is good, the closing is good. Last 4 hour candle. Ghost bro says 45.20. For possibilities, everything is possible, but look at the market. The sellers are so much strong. Abbas bhai, the market will not be angry with you now. By गई यार. मार्केट भाई किसी को नहीं छोड़ता भाई. मार्केट इतना कमीना है ना. Everyone need to buy, man. Market is killing me. That shows that you have a big positions. Ahmed bro says gold is bearish 1000%. Bearish, yes, that is true. There is no doubt that it's not bearish. It's bearish. But if it is it a sell point? No. Yes, if the peace deal is done, then only it will go upside. But the peace is not that much easy, also, yeah. Starting a war, it's very easy. Ending the war is difficult. Peace is easy. Yeah, let me tell you, the deep state of US, they don't want peace. Weapon industry, bro, it's a big business. Also, I think BTC is going to 46. Let's see, BTC has a strong support area. I don't have any setup. Very strong support area. 66 191, 65 692. If the breakout is done, then downside. It was in US hand to start the war, but ending is not in the US hand. If they want to end it, no, they cannot. Nobody loves the war, but it's a big business, bro. They have started a war in Ukraine, Russia. Where is the US now? They left Ukraine in between. Now, who is helping Ukraine? Nobody. At the start, every country was pushing the Ukraine to start the war, right? European countries, US. What happened? Only it was a disaster for Ukraine. The enemy was Ukraine was not a friend, Russia was the enemy. Now, in this one also, let me tell you, in the Iran war also, it's not directly attack on Iran, but it was mainly attack the China, because almost 80% China was having a cheap oil from the Iran, discounted price. That was not only the target, the Iran, no, it was China. And for might be for Israel, Iran is the enemy, first enemy, but for US, Iran is not the first enemy. China is the first enemy. But Chinese government knows they they made the plan, their reserves, alternatives. Now look at this. See, the politics is a funny. And there was a time that US and the world was sanctioning the Russian oil. Now when the Iran war has started, they was lifting the export oil export from the Russia. See, they was lifting the sanctions on Russia, and one of the biggest beneficiary also Russia. China, Chinese leaderships are very smart. Just like Irani says that they don't trust the American leadership. So, do you think that China can trust? Nah, Chinese will never trust. You know how they treated Trump in the China, very badly, very badly. And on the next day, The Putin also visited. How was the reception for the Russian president? Different. That was the clear message. So yeah, it's a war. It's a big business. The problem was what with the US. US was thinking their planning was very bad. They were thinking that Iran is like a Venezuela. We blow them. We do this. We do that. Okay, blow them. Bad politics. Very bad politics. And let me tell you, the repetition of America is zero nowadays. Even the European countries, they don't help US. It's the first time that US president was begging help from the Europe. And just before that, before this issue, the same Trump, same president was bullying the European leadership. I don't know who is the mastermind behind this plan. Crude oil again 93.76. Dow Jones 59.50 at my buying area. So far gold is not looking good on 1 hour until any 1 hour close below above 62, 62, 65. Everyone wishing, yes, everyone. War is not good, yeah. You know, the Trump also, he cannot do anything. He has to follow the orders. Deep state. Deep state in the US also. You think that Trump was agree with the war? No. His campaign, everything was to stop the war, against of the war. And what he did, funding the Ukraine, Venezuela issue, Iran issue. Crude oil now 94. That candle become a red, a green, 38, 94.10. Ah, 34. 34 can be a good area. 34, 32 bottom area. Market came to 32 also. It came to went upside 57 also. Abdu says your SL. Okay, bro. Thank you. Time for coffee after 20 minutes. Badly. I need a coffee badly. Gold doesn't look good now. Frankly, it is not looking good. It will be only good for the buys if it crosses 62 or 65. BTC रिटेस्ट कर रहा है, डबल बॉटम से वापस जाने का चांस है कि BTC यार BTC बहुत सी yesterday there was a news that BlackRock has made a big sell off on BTC. That's why big sell on BTC, yeah, because they had a huge buying. Now crude again below 94, so that's why BTC is different, yeah. Look at the daily candle, look at the 4-hour candle, it's scary. Dollar is good. Dow Jones is coming down. Okay, still I'm interested to buy on Dow Jones. S&P. Now Dow is coming down. Today sell looks like sell off on hmm, 1500 points dropped already. What? In which one? Again, I'm telling you, Dow will take a support. S&P also 75.69, 75.57 is strongly bullish. Yes, it's a big red candle, it's a scary one, all are good, but technically both are strong. Stop loss can be 75.40 or 35. 75.40 or 35 for S&P. So far both these three things are respecting a lot technically, yeah? Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, US 30, US 100, US 500. I'll take a coffee break, guys. Need a coffee badly. In all three looks a big red candle, but in a buy zone, still buy zone. A minute, guys. First 4 hour candle is a disaster for gold in New York. I don't know the other things, but technically Dow will take support. Gonna go for coffee. I've just done my coffee. Coffee is done. I'm done. Dow is coming back. Rami bro sleeping. Again crude below 94. Again Dow in my buying zone. Is this a market or a joke? Now again 94 crude oil. Looks like gold is only following against of the crude oil. Hi, happy harmonic horology bro. I'm also in a small buy Dow. Let's see. Okay, Dow. Wow. Everything is moving technical. Only gold is not. Worst price action. This candle will close after 50 minutes, guys. Needs to close in 40s at least. How much? 45, 46. Crude again up 94.22. Danish bro, what are you expecting? I'm confused by current price movement. Yeah, I'm also the same. I was expecting this current candle to close in green. Yeah, now 50 minutes left. It's not. If it closes here, it's not a bullish closing. Again, Kevin bro, BTC possible stay away from the BTC until for a couple of days because big sell off is on BTC. Yeah. Yes, it's a support area 66 191, 65 692, but big sell off behind this BTC. Kevin bro, on BTC, if it doesn't support again a big fall, yeah. But weekly it has a very good support, very nice support. So possible the monthly also very good support. 65 539. Right now 66 342. Okay, so it's a little bit risky. Mindful bro, is it a good idea to leave the position open overnight in Dow? I have position, yes. Dow, no problem. Dow, if it closes here also 4 hour, still it's okay. Nasdaq also okay. And S&P also okay. One thing is not okay, this gold. Don't worry guys, I'm in a buy on Dow, nothing can go wrong. Good. Walaikum salam, bye. And after 47 minutes I will take a break, yeah, as usual. That time the 4 hour candle will close also. Tomorrow is a big day, by the way. Remember, tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow we have NFP. No, not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, yeah. On Friday we have NFP, not tomorrow, sorry. Tomorrow we have a new batch, learning batch, guys. Okay. Reason of buy, breaker block, fair value gap, a very stupid trend line. There is a trend line, but trend line is not effective with this area right now. Yeah. Still Dow is good, 949, almost my buying zone. 4 hour OB, respected 1 hour OB. While crude oil is strong, which is not good for gold. How is this area for closing? If it gold closes here, it will be very bad closing. Prince bro. आज के बाद 1 मंथ की ट्रेडिंग नहीं करनी है. कॉन्फिडेंस की कॉन्फिडेंस वही तो है ना. दूसरी बात ये है कि अपना मनिंदर पाए, प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ गोल्ड में है, तो आपके पास दूसरी चीज़ें हैं ना. ठीक है, आपके पास दूसरी चीज़ें हैं, उसमें कर लिया. गुड इवनिंग ब्रो, आई एम गुड. गोल्ड एज ही ब्रो आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके प्रिंस ब्रो. Gold very interesting today. It's messy. If it closes here 4 hour, it's not a good closing. It's not a bullish closing. You still hold, still. Again, the crude is dancing. Look at this. And this is the time, and after 1 hour, especially for Trump tweet. Usually at this time and next 1 hour, he is making some tweet. Yeah. Let's see. 40 Allen bro, 4580 is too far now. Still gold is in pressure. Selling pressure is still strong. I'm in trade with your setup also. Don't worry, will good profit make entry 39. Okay. 34 is a good area. 34, 32 area. But at this time, I don't think so. It's a good. If it closes above 45, that's a good thing. Otherwise, the closing is not coming good. मनिंदर भाई, ये तो अच्छा है फिर. 61K ग्रोस प्रॉफिट. मनिंदर भाई, और क्या चाहिए आपको? SL is small, yes. Very good. Very good. If someone is not scared of the SL, it means he is good with risk reward and money management. Yeah.
सर जी ये मैंने ना 4400 यूरो से बनाए हैं, मगर लास्ट 2 मंथ वेरी बैड चल रहे हैं ना, उसमें से 20 का लॉस हो गया। मगर मैं वो कह रहा हूँ कि अभी मैं टेंशन नहीं लूंगा, 1 मंथ रेस्ट करूंगा। सर
हाँ,
जी ये मैंने ना 44
ज़बरदस्त है यार. तो कोई बात नहीं, आपके प्रॉफिट में से जा रहे हैं. 61K is a good profit. BTC, yeah. Gold is also. Mm, very disappointing move. BTC, what happened? BTC. Oh yeah, again making a new low. Yeah. So having a support is different. Having a setup is different. Yeah. Because every support cannot be a buy opportunity. Every resistance cannot be a buy opportunity. While you see that the 4 hour candle, I think it's 10 to 15 4 hour candle, which is a everything is red. Yeah. Took some support at a structure, but that's not enough. 27 minute remains for this candle closing. BTC gone. Dow is still okay. Okay. S&P also. Look at the S&P. Crude oil tested a very good area. Very good area. 94.30. Very good area. That's a good thing. US 30 is still, let me see, is still good for upside. We have a level 852 also. Upside is still upside. There is no bearish on this one. Crude oil, crude oil. Crude oil, if it doesn't break the previous high, which is 94.85, then possibility is it will retest the area of 91.42, 98. I will hold overnight now. Don't hold your position overnight, especially gold. Depends on the closing also. If closes above 62, 70, 80, then yes, no problem. Depends on the gold, depends on the crude oil move. But so far sellers are still strong. I was expecting this current candle to close above 57, at least in green. But look at this. First it came to 26, then it went to 59.60, then again 34, dancing at this area. Do not hold any position overnight. For Dow Jones, no problem. Dow Jones holds the technical. 20 minutes remains for closing. German index. German index. What happened? Big drop. Oh yeah. German index is a big drop, guys. 24,600, 24,500. Still, there is some more downside for German index. Yeah, then possible the buyer will come in. Today there was any earning news because S&P also, NAS also, Dow also in red. Gold was not going up, but 4400 also not come. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, but I will take a break after 15 minutes. Do not hold any position over the night. If it closes here, that's not a strong closing. It should be above 42, 43, 45. Then it's a normal closing. Above 65 would be a great closing for upside, but I don't think so that's gonna happen. Gold Aussie bro, you have been staring at a screen 22 years in your eyes. Yeah, no, at night when I'm before sleep, when I use my mobile, it's like blur. Yeah, because right now when I'm sitting here, I'm using the screens. Yeah, so it's different. It's easy to read in a screen, but when I before sleeping only, when I use my mobile, it's blur. That's why sometimes I'm giving a reply for discussion group, some spell mistake, yeah, because of that. I cannot write well or see well, yeah. Crude looks good, very good. Gold, give me some push up, upside, still 15 minutes remaining. Come on, gold. Crude oil went upside again to retest the upper body of gold red candle, yeah, so that was the good thing. Thank you, Gold Azzy bro. Thank you so much. Again, it was a very disaster day on gold. Not good. Look at the price action. It's worst price action. For a scalper, a dream day. Yes, for a scalper, yes. Why? Because it was in range. Yeah. I think this big move or in war new situation for a scalper, it's a very good one. I believe we will see 3400, 3500 on gold again, inshallah. It is a good price. Possible if, see, depends on the war. Depends on the war, depends on the crude oil move, yeah. Shawan bro, thank you. I think you mean 42, not 32. Yeah. On the video, it's 32. On the video? Which video? Which video? Level was 557.32. Okay, Saber bro, I will take a break also after 8 minutes. Here on the screen it's 32, 57 and 32. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Very right, very right, very right. It's for 42, yeah. Right, 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 right. You got it. Good eye, Toba bro. Very good eye. Because I've taken that this green candle body and wick, yeah. Very good eye. And why I have in the afternoon I have placed a pending buy order at 34 and it went to the 26 because of fair value gap. That is the fair value gap of 4 hour, yeah. Better than a golden eye, yeah. Golden eye bro also has a good eye. Why? Because from this eye you can see the crude oil and okay. You have a good trades on crude, watching the crude oil and gold, crude oil and gold. I'll take a break after 7 minutes, guys. Crude is again going upside. The drama is for trading on gold, you have to see the crude oil, the worst scenario. Can we buy BTC? Better not. Better stay away from BTC. Let it relax, let it stop, then only, yeah. Now it's very hot. Now this 4 hour candle on BTC also breakout of downside inside the area, but still breakout of the structure, yeah, because it's giving a new bottom closing. Gold also same. How? Why it will be a disaster closing, very bad closing? Because this thing, see, can you see this closing? It's not a bullish closing, it's a bearish closing. Needs to close above this area at least, right? So the closing is not coming good, not in favor of buyers. Okay, I'll take a break after 5 minutes. Bones bro, if you got break even, exit.